Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. I'm Stacy, and today we're heading over to the Beach Club to check out some of the items that this resort has to offer.
Welcome to the Beach Club.
Hey guys, we're here with Lewis at the Disney's Beach Club Resort. He's going to give us a few fun facts.
Well, hello, welcome home. Actually, our resort actually opened up November 19th of 1990, so we've been around for a little bit, but we love it here. It's so wonderful. Right nestled in Crescent Lake, right between Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot, so you can't get much better with that. We're just close distance to the other two kingdoms, Magic Kingdom and Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. So really, really great distance right in the center. That's a great destination here for those beach lovers too. To make our resort so beautiful is our pool, Somalone Bay. We actually have, it's 3 acres. It's actually considered a water park. It's a bit of a water park, so I guess you can say we have 3 water parks here, right? So we have our sandy bottom floor, a lazy river, and a nice big slide to go for the kids that love, and the younger part that love it going into. So it's a really great pool. So yeah, you gotta go check it out while you're here with us. Yeah.
Guys, we'll have to check that out. I didn't realize that it actually is classified as an additional water park. 3 acres. Wow. Yeah, and that sand bottom pool. If you ever get the chance to go in, please do so. It's the coolest thing in the world. Thank you so much.
Oh, of course. Yeah. No, my time. That's what I'm here for.
All right, we are outside at the Beach Club at the pool with Shayna. She's going to tell us a little bit more about the waterfalls, the slides, and how big the pool is.
Yeah. Hi. The Yacht and Beach Club Pool, Stormlong Bay, is the only pool on Walt Disney World property that has its own miniature water park. We have a 50-foot tall, 240-foot long water slide called the Flying Jib, and behind that we have an additional smaller slide that's about 20-25 feet in length, where smaller kids can then go and enjoy the pool. We've got 3 hot tubs, we've got waterfalls, we have a sandbar, which is where the kids can go build sand castles right in our sandy bottom pool, and it's really, really awesome and very unique.
TMR Tours would like to thank Lewis and Shayna for helping us out with this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh!